Hey, Jessie here. I'm so glad you found this video because that means you want to learn more about grapefruit essential oil, specifically doTERRA grapefruit essential oil, and I'm excited to teach you more. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. I'm excited to share with you. You're in the right spot if you want to learn more about doTERRA essential oils. Check out all of my videos. I have a great library already started of videos where you can learn about essential oils, but then every Thursday I release new videos. So go subscribe, but let's talk about grapefruit essential oil. Are you ready? In this video, I want to teach you 10 ways that you can use your grapefruit essential oil. Number one, with grapefruit essential oil, it's a citrus oil. I love citrus oils just to put them in my water. Add it to your water. Usually 1 or 2 drops of your essential oil is going to be enough. Make sure that you're not using plastic. Don't use plastic, okay? And I learned that the hard way. So learn from me. Put it in glass, put it in ceramic, put it in stainless steel. You're welcome. Do you have a soda stream? If so, make yourself soda stream water. Add in grapefruit essential oil, and oh my goodness, that's going to be so refreshing. It's going to taste delicious. Next, I love using grapefruit in a veggie cap. I mean, grapefruit is great in water, but when I'm trying to just get it into my system quickly, I love using veggie caps. If you don't have veggie caps, grab some. doTERRA sells them. But then put about 10 drops in a veggie cap first thing in the morning before you do pretty much anything else. And that is going to help with your progesterone levels. Personally, I've been working on a lot of hormone stuff. And grapefruit, as easy as it seems, just to be like, oh, take grapefruit in a veggie cap, it has been tremendously helpful to help me as I am balancing out my hormones. And specifically, grapefruit is great for progesterone. Number 3, if you've watched any of my other videos, you know I love looking at the emotional benefits with each one of our essential oils. So grapefruit, it's awesome for our emotions. So grapefruit is the oil of honoring our body. So any method of how you use grapefruit, whether you use it topically, aromatically, internally, that is going to support your body on an emotional side as you work on honoring your body. Number 4, have you ever tried dry skin brushing? It's cool. It's very addictive. Try using grapefruit essential oil when you dry skin brush. It helps support saggy skin. It helps detoxification of our body. I will put in a plug. Make sure you do your lymphatic drainage before you dry skin brush. If you're not sure about lymphatic drainage, reach out. I can share more. Also, before I forget, I want to make sure to tell you that, all citrus oils, you want to be careful about putting citrus oils on topically and then going into the sun, because citrus oils can make your skin photosensitive, meaning that if you go out in the sun and you just put a citrus oil topically on your skin, you might get sunburned. So just to be safe, use citrus oils topically at night. So you have a whole night of sleep before you go out in the sun, or put it on a spot in your body where the sun is not going to see, or you can take it internally. You don't need to worry about the sun in the same way if you take the oils internally. Number 5, do you have a hangover? Try using grapefruit oil. Just take a few drops in a veggie cap, and I think you're going to be really pleased with how you feel after taking that grapefruit. Ooh, this also reminds me, because sometimes people have reached out and they're like, Jessie, I can't take grapefruit because it might interact with some of my medications. So this is a fun fact to know. Grapefruit essential oil comes from the outer part of the grapefruit, the peel. It doesn't come from the fruit. And it's the fruit that usually is what interacts with the medications. So I want you to feel peace and at ease with using grapefruit essential oil, even if there are some medications you're on. I'm not a doctor. Okay, so you can always check with your doctor, but also your doctor may not be familiar with essential oil. So I'm putting that out there too. But just know that grapefruit comes from the peel, and that is not what interacts with medications. Number 6, are you experiencing hair loss? If so, try adding some grapefruit essential oil to your shampoo. Number 7, do you need some adrenal love? Grapefruit to the rescue. So I want you to take grapefruit and basil essential oil, and then you are going to apply that topically. Go ahead and dilute it in your hand. Put some fractionated coconut oil, some grapefruit, and some basil, like 1 drop, maybe 2 drops, and then mix that all up, and then put that topically over your adrenals or on the bottoms of your feet or on the back of your neck. You're welcome. You could also do this combination in a veggie cap as well. Again, veggie caps, if you don't have them in your arsenal, along with your doTERRA essential oils, make sure you get veggie caps because they are so useful. Number 8, do you want to do a little TLC with your breasts? If so, grapefruit is going to help with that as well. Now, I would also recommend getting pink pepper, and then with those two, you're going to apply it topically diluted to your breasts. And then, of course, there's always the option that you could grab some veggie caps and then you could add grapefruit and pink pepper into veggie caps, and that is also going to support your breast health. Number 9, is your body experiencing swelling? I just think about how big my feet got when I was pregnant with my daughter. It just was like craziness. So grapefruit is an essential oil that I used tremendously throughout my pregnancy, specifically with my daughter, because for some reason I had more swelling when I was pregnant with her. Grapefruit applied topically is going to help with swelling. I loved layering it with Aroma Touch. So diluting Aroma Touch, massaging that into my body wherever I was having swelling, but then layering it with grapefruit afterwards, because grapefruit is in Aroma Touch, but then I added a little bit more of a punch by adding grapefruit as a single oil. Number 10, are you ready for it? Diffuse grapefruit. It smells so good. Play around with different diffuser combos. You could just do grapefruit by itself, add in other citrus oils. I love pairing a citrus oil with something like peppermint. It helps freshen and clean the air of a room in a really cool way. But a lot of people have asked about, well, what's a way that I could replicate like an anthropology type blend? So if you want to do that, I want you to try adding in your diffuser, lemon, lime, wild orange, grapefruit, bergamot, and black spruce. Try that in your diffuser. You could also replicate it into a rollerball blend. If you're doing a diffuser blend, I like thinking, about 5-ish drops total in a diffuser. And then in a rollerball blend, doing 20 to 30-ish drops of essential oil. The rest of the way, fractionated coconut oil. Play around with the quantities, see what you like, and let me know if you have questions. I hope you learned some fun new ways you can be using grapefruit essential oil. If you need to purchase grapefruit essential oil and you don't have someone you're working with yet, please check out the show notes. I have a link so you can go and purchase that grapefruit oil at 25% off. I also have my contact information if you have any sort of questions that you might have. I would love, if you don't have someone you're already working with as an essential oil mentor on a one-on-one basis, I would love to be that person for you. So connect with me. I can help you get set up with some great promotions, whatever doTERRA is running at the time that you're watching this video. I would love to be your essential oil mentor. Besides these YouTube videos that I put out, I would love to do more on a one-on-one basis. Plus, there's a whole bunch more that I can teach you about grapefruit that I can't say in this video. So make sure you connect with me. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I'll be forever grateful. And I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you on my next video.